They call it a curse, a monster lurking in the shadows of my own mind. But for me, after all this time, it's just the other guy. I am Dr. Bruce Banner, and my life is a constant, quiet battle fought on the very edge of a razor. I've spent years building walls of calm, meticulous routines, a fortress of control, all to keep him caged. But the cage is made of glass, and the world is full of hammers. I remember the gamma, the searing emerald light, the feeling of being torn apart and remade into something primal. When the change comes, it's like drowning in a sea of pure, undiluted rage. My consciousness scatters like dust in a hurricane, and all that's left is the roar. The Hulk doesn't think, not like I do. He is a force of nature, a living earthquake of raw, cataclysmic power. Cities have trembled beneath his feet. Armies have failed to stop him. He is everything I am not. Impossibly strong, brutally decisive, and utterly free from the crushing weight of fear that defines my every moment. But when the storm subsides, and I'm left in the wreckage, I see what he has wrought. The craters, the twisted metal, the terror in people's eyes. The guilt is a poison I swallow every morning. Yet, there are moments, glimmers in the darkness. A runaway train, a collapsing skyscraper, a threat no one else can face. In those moments, the monster becomes a savior. The rage finds a purpose. He holds up the sky so others can escape. He stands as a green, unbreakable shield between humanity and oblivion. Is he a hero or a weapon of mass destruction? I don't know. We are two sides of the same shattered coin. My struggle is to steer the hurricane without being consumed by it. To prove that within the raging heart of the monster, there is still a man. And maybe, just maybe, that man can still do some good. I am Bruce Banner, and I am the Hulk. This is our story.